Hi, today I'm going to walk through my experience using Agent37 and share my thoughts as I explore the product. Agent37 is a managed hosting service that deploys a fully configured OpenClaw AI agent instance in under a minute. It removes the need for complex server setup and infrastructure management and provides instant terminal access, SSL configuration, and built-in integrations with hundreds of apps such as Gmail, Slack, and Notion, and Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, etc. For those unfamiliar with OpenClaw, it is an AI agent framework that allows you to automate tasks and interact with your system through chat interfaces, including platforms like Telegram. It enables users to run persistent agents that can execute workflows, manage tasks, and integrate with external tools. So, as I go through this, I will mainly focus on how easy it is to get started, how clear the interface is, and whether the actual experience matches the promise of fast and simple deployment. Let's go to the dashboard first. Here's the dashboard, and we can quickly see launch my bot, and we can start here. And in the main page, it was just 1 minute, but here it says 2 minutes. Okay. And before launching the bot, I want to quick look at the navigation. On the left side, I can see sections like OpenClaw, billing, team, and settings. And also there's an affiliate program for earning some money. And this gives me a basic idea of how the product is structured. For example, OpenClaw seems to be main product area. Billing is probably for the subscribe management. There's basic, pro, and max, and team for collaboration features. So overall, the navigation looks simple and not overwhelming, which is good for the first-time users. And it is actually reminds me the OpenAI platform site. It's very minimalistic and clean interface. I like that the navigation is minimal because too many options at this stage could confuse the new users. And for the billing, it's starting from almost $4 monthly, but RAM is 4 gigabytes, and the interesting thing is bring your own API keys. There is no API support from the 37, but for the Pro and Max includes Agent 37 AI credits. And this will give you a quick testing, I guess, the basic option. And also this thing, 25 Brave web search calls, it looks very low. But I think with integrating our own Brave API key, we can extend it to larger values. Okay, let's go to the launch my bot section. Choose your plan to create or trying. You already have access, one seat available. I have already basic. Launch basic bot. It's creating. And it's launching our basic bot. There should be indicator here I think, because we cannot see how progress is going. Should I close this in pop-up or no? It's very okay. Disappeared. Okay, we have untitled bot here. Now what we have: web chat, terminal, live browser. Oh, it's interesting because live browser is not working on the basic section, basic membership. We have files, restart, upgrade, overview, channels, models, integrations, browser, voice note, Tailscale. Okay, we have bot status, open web chat. We can connect our Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Slack communication applications, and we have used our own API key for example, OpenAI, Anthropic Cloud, or Gemini. And usage of this month, because I started first time, I'm testing with you. This is my first time on Agent37 site. Okay, let's first attempt. Let's say first attempt for this bot. Bot name saved. Channels, okay, model, Gemini Flash preview, browser. Okay, what we have in the terminal? Oh, we have a certificate issue here. Okay, we have a Linux terminal here, and -a, it's a Linux, but I want to find the distribution, but I couldn't find. Okay, and your bot is online. Okay, let's create a bot first. After that, Telegram watch setup guide. We have also a guide here.
So to configure Telegram, click on terminal, type channels, configure link, type OpenClaw configure. It takes a moment, but eventually you see this.
Okay, it seems we have to
the return key on your keyboard.
Configure our Telegram from terminal. OpenClaw configure. Previously, I tried for different this kind of setups, and there was automated process, but on the Agent37, it's we need to do it on the terminal. Local, this machine, workspace, directory, okay, model, channels, configure link, and we can for best view, I need to increase the text size, and we need to open the Telegram and run new bot command and copy the token, and after that our Telegram will be connected to OpenClaw, and we can use it also with WhatsApp. We can integrate with WhatsApp with QR code verification, and Discord, Slack. These things are like other OpenClaw setups. And what we have for the AI models, we have a long list: Mistral, OpenAI, Qwen, XAI, Xiaomi, and ZAI. Yeah, it's supporting almost every open AI model, LLM models, and we can use our existing subscription with our own API keys here. And for the integrations, we can connect our applications. 850 applications here, from Gmail to Google Calendar, Notion to HubSpot, Creative Tools, HR applications, social media. We can use our bot for posting on the social media like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, other than that, we have browser. We can use Brave for browser integrations. Voice notes, this is a new thing. First time I'm seeing on this kind of managed OpenClaw host. Also, there's a Tailscale integration for private Tailscale networks. And we have files here, but it's asking, yeah, because it's creating this domain name for us, and there is no SSL certificate installed. Yeah, we can see all OpenClaw subfolder here, and yeah, we can use this section for reading logs, or if anything goes out, we can check the logs, what's happening on the background. We can restart here and upgrade for upgrading subscription. Running basic. Yeah, pretty much the setup and the usage is like that, and we can see how much usage spent in this month here. It's when I refresh, actually I did something, but I cannot see anything here because maybe Brave, I didn't search anything on the Brave, or I didn't integrate anything, because it will take moments. Yeah, pretty much the setup and usage is like that. I like the interface, and it's very easy. It took more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes just set up OpenClaw on our own Mac Mini or Linux box or VPS box. Yeah, I really like the interface, and I will also look for better integrations later. And yeah, this is how Agent37 works. And on the settings, we don't have too much. It's just for our user. Yeah. And also on the OpenClaw thing, OpenClaw section, we can see if our OpenClaw bot is running or not, and usage, and we can see actual storage here, updated 7 minutes ago. And yeah, we can do same actions from here. And just I want to do one thing. I want to restart this instance. This restarts existing container in place, and just I want to figure out how much time will spend to restart and running again. Bot start requested. Yeah, it says running. And can we, yeah, open web chat. What can you do? Manage digital life, connect Brave Web. Yeah, we need configure the things from the API key, and also here we have channels here. Actually, this is the main thing, web chat section. We can see chat channels like WhatsApp, Telegram, Google Chat, and we can see instances. We have one OpenClaw instance and control user interface. We have one session, and we can see our, okay, we can see actual usage from here. And models, top agents, top channels, activity by time, sessions, and cron jobs I haven't defined yet. Agents, skills, this is also important. We can add some skills for using with OpenClaw. For example, playing some songs or sending voice calls. And notes here. And there's also documents for, it's going to OpenClaw main website. Yeah, pretty much Agent37 managed OpenClaw working like that. And thank you for listening and viewing me my video. See you next time. Bye.